Hello. So here I am with my son Connor, and I am so excited to open the 3D printer. Are you excited, Connor?
Yeah.
You're excited? Mm-hmm. I got home, I texted my wife, she said it was here. I get in the house, there's a big box, and it's my restaurant store box with like pasta makers and frying pans. Not the 3D printer. The 3D printer is nowhere. I quick go on UPS.com and track it, and it says it was delivered at 1 o'clock. So then we check with the neighbor, and it was on their porch. So we finally have it here. So let's open it up. Okay, open the top, take it out. Oh my gosh, the paper. The paper. The paper. All right, what are these? Instructions? We don't need instructions. We don't need these. Here we go. Look at that. It says something magical awaits. I wonder what's magical in there. Uh-oh, don't eat this. This says printer food, not human food. Printer food, so don't eat it. That doesn't sound exciting. This looks exciting. Okay, here we go. So this is a smaller printer, but the reason I went with it, even though it's smaller, is that it's designed to promote STEM, which is what we're doing. It's designed to be, it's voted the #1 printer for kids. It's designed to be a printer that you can start using right away. It's designed to get it out of the box and just use it right like it is. Okay? So let's see if we can't take it out of the box. I won't set it up on the video. We don't need that. But what I want to do is I want you to see. Oh, this nice packaging. Look at that. Okay? Oh, look at this. See, this is what I like about this one. It's all together. Now, this is as far as I'm going to go because I don't want to take out any of the other stuff until I look at how you're supposed to do it. But this is so exciting. Now, because it's for kids, they do this funny stuff, which you're probably going to think I like this anyway because I'm a food guy. They call the printer filament printer food. So this is white printer filament, and it's called coconut. And then in here, oh, look at all these colors. Oh, we got cotton candy. We got purple. Great. What is this? Sesame. Open sesame. Lemon. We got mint. This is peach. And cherry. Okay. So that's all our filament and all of our stuff. So I'm going to get this thing set up and we're going to be able to start working on our first project. So let's get going. I'm excited.